How's it going, everybody? Josh here. Welcome back to another video. Now, this is a $2,000 Tesla Cyberquad for kids. You heard that right. This is actually a children's toy, and I got one. So today we're gonna be riding it around, checking it out, and seeing what $2,000 gets you. Let's get straight into it. Now, for those of you familiar with Tesla, you'll know that they make some really crazy products like a carbon fiber surfboard, a Tesla tequila, and your own desktop supercharger. Now, this product is definitely no exception. It's certainly ridiculous, and the price definitely backs that up. So let me just take you around the bike real quick. In the front, there is an LED light bar. Then the whole bike is centered around this geometric angular design, which reminds me of the Cybertruck. You got these panels in the front that have really sharp angles, super soft, really comfortable to sit on. You have your mode adjust right here for forwards and backwards. This is the accelerator. If I tap it, it will go forward. These handles are pretty cool. You can see like this geometric design. Fortunately, you can't twist it. It doesn't go like that. I wish it did. That would be cool. Then continuing to the back here, we have a strut right here for the suspension. This is the motor, so it is electric. You will need to charge it through the battery right here, which you can take out. Big chunky boy. Size my hand for comparison. Okay, this is a 288 watt hour battery. That is massive. You can see the charge indicator by pressing the button on the back. You can just slot it back in right here. To turn the Cyberquad on, you have to do is press and hold this button. This is your mode adjust. So there are two modes. The first speed mode goes up to 5 miles an hour, and then the second speed mode goes to 10 miles an hour if you want to be extra fast. These are the brakes. Yeah, overall it's pretty well built, I think. So these are obviously plastic. This is also plastic, but the frame is all steel. And then you have these hubcaps, these huge pneumatic tires. This bad boy has a range of 15 miles and a top speed of 10 miles an hour on speed level 2. I do weigh 165 pounds, and the weight capacity of this is 150. So hopefully it doesn't break on me. Of course, we have to talk about all these cameras on my head and on the bike because today's video sponsor is Insta360. As you guys may or may not know, Insta360 makes some really amazing action cameras. The one you're seeing here is the Insta360 Go 2, and the main selling point here is just that it's insanely small and lightweight. You can literally put this camera anywhere and just get a really unique shot. And then there's also the Insta360 One X2, which is a 360 camera. Of course, with 360 cameras, you have access to unlimited camera angles, and you can really play with your shot in post. On top of that, Insta360 is also running a promo now where you can get a free selfie stick, which allows you to utilize the invisible selfie stick feature, which is super neat. Both of these cameras are waterproof, and if you want to learn more about them, definitely check out their website in the description below.
It goes fast, it goes fast.
Okay.
That's cool.
Okay, and before I forget, let's do a quick durability test.
Could you try to break this glass, please?
I have my ball here.
Sure? Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Maybe that was a little too hard.
All right, let's see if it still works. And it does. So the Tesla Cyberquad, very durable.
You want to race? You want to race? You want to race with
Yes. I guess I'm going to be in fastest speed.
Ah, you're too fast.
Yeah, that's
Here.
the sanitizer.
Sanitizer.
And then this is to go. So if you press it, you're gonna go, okay? Be careful.
Slowly, slowly. Yeah, go slow, go slow.
Let me know in the comments if you guys think this product is worth it. For $2,000, I'd say it's pretty well built, but I don't know if I would pay $2,000 for this. Alrighty, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button on the way out and consider subscribing as I'm trying to hit 100K this year. Also, if you guys are interested in learning more about the Insta360 cameras, make sure to hit that link down in the description below. It'll be the first link. This is the first video of the year, and for those of you guys who are subscribers, this is my new studio space. I'm still working on it, so you can see it's a little bare right now. It's not fully fleshed out. Definitely have some kinks to work out in terms of lighting and audio. But yeah, definitely excited to keep growing, and thank you guys for all the support in 2021. Definitely have a lot of cool content planned in 2022, so thanks guys for sticking around. All right, enough of me blabbering. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.